Mullinoiga agus Chucky. Younger users of the Irish language were the focus of today's programme at the all-new Tonnta festival in Galway.
Tá sé go deas a bheith ag caint Gaeilge agus is mála gach duine in an Gaeltacht agus is málamsa é freisin.
Today's schedule of magic shows, discos and hip-hop workshops showcased Irish in a fun, relaxed and above all else, usable context. That's something those working with the language say is key to greater participation.
You know, a lot of people complain when they're speaking Irish that they don't think of it first. So if you can think of the cúpla focal before you can think of the cúpla focal béarla, then you'll be able to access the language more readily.
The 4-day festival came about as a direct result of local research into how to best nurture Galway's status as a bilingual city.
A lot of the recommendations that came from the people of Galway, they were looking for more opportunities to use the language and to use it in a social setting, to make it fun, have a bit of crack with it. What better way to do that than a festival, Gahar na Drav, and Carragahanga, Gahar na Gaeilge.
As well as promoting the language, the event also serves as a springboard into a run of festivals here over the next 10 months.
The festivals have a huge opportunity to create massive impact. But it's not just the financial impact, Pat. We also have massive visitor satisfaction ratings go through the roof once these festivals are on. And it creates great atmosphere in the city centre, so also hugely important.
Organisers are hoping the seeds sown over the weekend will prompt locals and visitors to employ their cúpla focal more readily. Pat McGrath, RTE News, Galway.